Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your recordings on Zoom for Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a portal meeting in my Zoom meeting application and I'm going to record this meeting. I'm going to click on the more option and select record.
Recording in progress.
Okay. And then I'm just going to record it for a second. Then I'm going to stop the recording. Just wait. Just stop recording.
Recording stopped.
Okay, and now the recording has been saved to my computer. And if we want to check it, we can go to our file manager. Wait guys, I'm going to go to my file explorer or file manager. Okay, and usually the recording or the video will be saved to our documents folder. Okay, as you can see, this is the Zoom folder and I'm going to open it, and this is the recording video I have just recorded in my Zoom meeting. Alright guys, and that's all the way to find your recordings on Zoom for Windows. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.